I had a feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together, no one can break us apart. For love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. When the night comes in, I'm keeping your heart. How I feel so much more secure. You wouldn't let me close my eyes, so I can see you through and through.
Hinahanap namin yung bakery ng aming
lover.
Pandi Boracay.
We are so much in love. I'm not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear?
Si Trisha lang.
Maybe just a smile in your heart. I'm always dreaming of being in love, but now I know that this is true.
Dito na pala yung
Since
hinahanap
you
natin.
came into my life, it's true love
Ito na
that
pala.
I had
Pandi
found.
Boracay.
Oh, I pray that you wouldn't leave me, whatever may come along. But if you do, I will feel so bad. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart.
Nagulat ka.
You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming
Binibigyan
to
mo nga
me
yung bakery mo.
and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my
May
dear?
breaks na sila.
Maybe just a smile in your heart.
Punta dito. Dito nagsama si kapatid dito ni Boss. Ayan si Boss. Hindi. Ayan may hopya, maringge, hopyang obe, torta. Ayan, maraming mapagpilian. Tapos tika lang, may souvenirs din sila. May souvenirs. Saglit lang. Saglit lang. Ha.